Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here at the end of the day, it's been a fairly quiet day for me with in terms of my trading. I haven't taken a lot of trades according to my 5-minute setup. I had an issue with Guardian Angel Trader where due to daylight saving times changing the clocks around, my settings for that aren't matching the US session anymore, so I can't trade the sessions that I would usually be trading because of my allowed trading times on the software that I use for risk management. So I wasn't able to take any more than my first trade of the day, so that one was a winner. Nice trade. Just show it here. We swept what amounts to equal highs pretty much, pushed through them, and then double top there. Sorry, this is a 2-minute chart. Double top there. We had half an hour of consolidation, and then we broke out from there. So I took a sell on the candle close and rode it for a 1-to-1. Really nice trade, really easy. And then it reversed from midnight VWAP, but I was out of the trade, so I'm not really bothered about what happens after I'm done with my trades. So once we formed a new high, we then broke down, came back in for an optimal entry, and then sold off again. And then, like I said, I wasn't able to trade my Bullnox account. There were a couple of nice trades available in the sessions that I was trading, but yeah, I wasn't able to take them, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. But in terms of my MyFundedFutures account, I hit the daily stop limit today. I think it was fairly inevitable that I would do it because I was trading a lot of size, like a big size compared to what I usually trade, and it doesn't take a lot of bad trades with 3 minis to hit the daily stop limit of, I think it's 1,200, so I went a bit over that. But that counts now at $1,000 profit, so I'm still hoping that I can push it above the funding, what I need for funding. So I think, what is that, 3,000? So I need another couple of thousand. Hopefully I can do that over the next few days. I'm not too fussed about the trading. I really should. One thing I will say is I shouldn't be taking any positions right at the open, especially with the sizing that I've been using. It's way too volatile, and especially today, it was very choppy right at the open. And yeah, I was hit. I think I took a sell here, but then it started pushing up, so I took a long and then got hit in both directions, and that was me done for the day. If I look at, obviously it's a sim account, so you can't read too much into it. But if I look at my sim account, I was trading that on the 2-minute, and that was a lot more successful than I thought it would be. It's something that I've been practicing over the last few days, but I'm really happy with that sort of return for, what is it, an hour, 2 hours trading. Obviously, I took quite a few trades, but they're all fairly well thought out. I made a mistake here where I sold and didn't close my. Essentially, I left both positions open, so I sold 2 micros here, and I'm normally supposed to close one out at 40 ticks and then let the other run and then move my stop to break even as well. But instead, I looked for 100 ticks, looked for new lows, and I got stopped out at the 100 tick stop loss. So a bit frustrating, that one, but other than that, really good day on that sim account. So I'm going to be using this more and more in my free time, and it may become my main strategy, and it also may become my main live trading, like live streaming strategy, because it essentially means that I have to trade for around 2 hours rather than the 3 hours that I usually trade and the waiting around that I usually do with my live streams. They're usually quite boring, so perhaps this will make it a little bit more interesting for me if I'm actually taking trades fairly regularly. But I'm still thinking about that, and I'm still working on the strategy itself, but fairly happy with what I did today on that. little bit disappointing on MyFundedFutures, but like I said, it was inevitable with the size that I was trading to get that past. I might slow down a little bit with the size and go a bit smaller, but I do want to get this past. But yeah, that's all from me today. I'll be back tomorrow with hopefully 3 trades for my live streams once I've sorted out the Guardian Angel Trader. But hope you had a good day, and that's all from me. Bye.